Saturday, February 8th, and just came into the shop and gave all the dogs their treats. Charlie's guarding his against the little one. Cat just had hers, and then the other two dogs are outside, and we're going to check in with these guys and find out what's going. And we've got some big surprises here. We got the drive shaft installed, so we're definitely nearing the end here. Looks like Dad is still working on the brake caliper. And they're working over on the bench here. Hayden's apprenticing and Peter's supervising for today. And trouble light is on the engine compartment to be working on something in here. Likely wiring of some kind. And then zip around to the other side here. And they're doing whatever they're doing here. Anyways, a better look at the drive shaft. That's all installed. I guess they had the wrong yoke yesterday, and so now they got the right yoke today, hopefully. And yeah, wow, remarkable difference in terms of what they're doing around here. Showed you guys yesterday that they already got the doors on. They just took them back off to put them over there, and everything's prepped for priming here. We're gonna have to change out Peter's tubes in his tires here soon enough, and I got tubes in stock. Managed to find 4, and well, we'll find out what's going on with Dad here right away. So Dad's working on something with the doors here. What are you working on today?
I got a little bit of fixing I want to do in here.
Yeah.
Because I'm gonna go here pretty soon.
Yeah. Okay. Okay, well, we'll let Dad do his thing here and we'll check back in with him later. Sunday, February 9th, and Dad and Aidan are busy working here on the Snow 75. And they were pretty busy yesterday, so I stayed out of their way. We only did a short video yesterday, but we're going to check in and see what they're doing here today. So, what are you measuring here right now, Aidan?
Well, we're trying to get this throttle linkage set up, but
okay.
We don't have enough on the gas pedal.
Okay.
Open the carb up all the way.
Okay.
This is how much travel we need, is about 1 inch.
Yeah.
To get that, you can see that we already welded an extension on the pedal.
Yeah. Okay.
And it's still not enough.
Huh.
It's got a long ways to go.
Okay. Well, I know this is always an issue for Dad, so you guys will keep at that.
Yeah, but we got the brake linkage welded up today.
Okay.
And we screwed around with the oil filter adapter, but we need a longer hose for the one.
The brake is hooked up, and we're on the gas pedal there now. Okay, bring it up. Put the pin in there.
So this is one of the things, these little things that can sometimes really throw a wrench into Dad's plans here right at the end, trying to get everything working. Everything's got to be just right, and so they're gonna work on that for a bit. You can see it was just moving here, and it's moving a little bit there again. So, yeah. So, they're still working on everything in here, and it's these little tasks here that can take a lot of hours just to get everything working. It's things like this can get Dad's temper right up, but I've never seen him not be able to get this stuff done. But as you can see, all the extra stuff is all installed here. They're gonna reinstall the tanks here once they're getting closer, and you can see the fans got lots of clearance on the rad, So there's no issues there. Everything else has been placed in. And so yeah, that's these little tasks that Dad needs to get done. They still got the doors back here that they're working on. And once those doors are all reinforced, looks like Dad put a whole new sheet of tin in there, or steel. And they're still going to do a lot more sanding here. But these other doors are, looks like they're ready to go. And the little dog is just following me around the shop versus following Dad around the shop. The other dogs are outside.